Conquer the call. Introducing the world's most advanced game call training system.
Hey, how you doing? You know, we all try to be as realistic as possible when we're out turkey calling or duck calling, goose calling, whitetail, whatever it is that you're doing in the field. Well, one of the most important calls I bring into the woods with me is a crow call. And you know, when you normally blow on a crow call to get that bird's attention, to kind of strike him, it's considered a shock call, okay? It's your locator call, a shock gobble, shock call, whatever it is that you want to call it. This call right here, when you just blow into it, has a great high-pitched sound. But if you take what Chris Parrish talks about in Conquer the Call and utilizing the purr, that vibration of the back of your throat that he talks about, you put that into a crow call, and all of a sudden you have a totally different dynamic. Extremely real, very effective in the field. And I'll tell you, anytime you can be more realistic in the field, I feel you're going to be more successful. So hopefully this helps you next time you hit the woods. Hunt hard and hunt safe.